Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smile photo editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application in my mobile phone, and first of all I'm going to create new project in my CapCut. We can tap on new project and choose a photo you want to edit. I'm going to edit this photo and we can click on add. Okay, and if we want to create smile photo editing using CapCut, we can tap on the photo until the photo is active. As you can see by the outline, that now the photo is active, and we can go to the effect option, right? And you can select style. If this effect feature is not showing up in your CapCut, you have to update your CapCut first, and then you can go back to your project. You can click on effect and select style, and here you need to choose expressions. This one, choose the expression category, and you can choose the effect that you want to apply to your photo to make you smile. I'm going to try it one by one. Okay, and I think I'm gonna go with the smile face, and we just need to click on the check mark, and as you can see, now the smile photo editing has been created, and you just need to export it. If you don't want to export it as video, you can take a screenshot of it like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create smile photo editing using CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.